Hello, how are you? How are you today? So today I'm going to talking about very common things and very viral things in nowadays. That is AI agent. So what is AI agent? We are listening everywhere. The AI agent, AI agent, agent. So what is the actually AI agent? The actually AI agent is the uh, uh, employee, like employee. Agent is like an employee for you who can do work as employee. So when you hired a employee who does the specific work or the lots of works, he can use his skills, he can use his brain, he can use his each and everything effort or each and everything. Agent is like that also that. So when you hired employee, he worked for you. Agent is like that. When you build a agent for your businesses, so he will do work for you actually. So we know, I think we everyone know that AI. What is AI? We know that actually. What is ChatGPT, Gemini? This is the AI. This is the chatbot actually. So when you ask something, they provide the answers and they provide the logics. So the AI agent is use the AI brain and they use the skills. They use and they can do the work. AI has some limitation. He can use the brain. He has intelligence, but he cannot work for you. But AI agent can do work for you. If you compare a human body, then the brain is the AI and a whole body and hand or legs is like a agent. So brain can think, brain has intelligence, but hand and legs and body can do the work for you. So AI agent is like a body, is like a employee, is like a agent for you.